Today I'm going to answer a burning question. What do farmers actually do? Hey everybody, coming to you here from inside the Kubota tractor. This is an M135GX and it's got the front end loader on it. You can see I've got the dual camera set up. You can see the view out the front and you can see me right here. I'm just going to give you an operator's view of what it's like to feed one of these 1,000 pound hay bales to the cattle. So here we go. Okay, step one, as you can see what I'm doing here, is putting the loader arms down and getting our bale fork ready to stab into the bale. I'm going to change into a different forward speed here. We're going to go ahead and grab this bale right into the middle, just above the middle. Tilt it up, bring it up, and move it back. And you might be able to see some of the netting that's on the outside of that bale is starting to peel itself off because it's frozen to the ground. I'm going to raise this up here. And there we go. Okay, we're going to stop here. Now the next step is to lower this down back close to the ground. I actually have to get out of the tractor and cut away this netting. You'll see me doing a little bit of this right now. Now that that part's done, it's time to actually feed this bale to the cattle. Okay, we're going to make our approach toward the bale feeding rack here. This is this round metal rack we put the bale into that the cows can eat out of. Kind of lower it down and tilt it right in, just like that. Bring the forks up, and there it is. That bale's in its new home. It's ready to be eaten by some cows. That's what it looks like from my view to drive a tractor. We'll see you in the next video.